Hey guys, we're starting out 2018 with my very first unboxing video, and we're going to be unboxing my Nordstrom order. I've never done an unboxing video on my channel. Probably the number one reason is because as soon as it hits the doorstep, I'm ripping into the box. Like, I cannot wait. I love to get packages. Online shopping is my thing, and so I got this in late last night, and it's a good thing it was late and I was busy because I could barely stand it. Well, now it's like late afternoon, so I have done so good to wait and unbox this with y'all. So let's just get right into it because I can't wait any longer. It got really cold here in Texas recently, and I don't have a lot of sweaters because we don't wear them a lot. I have a few. I have some that are like Forever 21 and just not good quality. So I got some from Nordstrom. Oh my goodness, I love this color. This is just bubblegum pink. I love at the end, well, I say at the end of winter, it's really just started, but when it's cold but you're going into spring before long, I love a bright color to brighten up your wardrobe. Oh my goodness, that's actually, it looks brighter on camera than it does in person. On camera it looks neon, but it is just a good bubblegum pink in person. And this is by the brand Leaf, and I got a size medium, so I'm going to try all of these on at the end. It is really soft and cozy and thick and just feels good quality. Then I got a gray off-the-shoulder sweater. Let me see. I think this is BP. Yes, it's the Nordstrom BP brand. And, oh, it looks pretty short. I guess since it's off the shoulder, it'll sit down a little further, but we'll see. I ended up getting a small in this because I didn't know what size to get. BP tends to run pretty large. But we'll see if it fits me okay. I may have should have got a medium. Then I got a pale blue sweater. Love baby blue in the winter. I have a baby blue sweater, but I never wear it because it's 3/4 sleeves. Like a thick sweater, but 3/4 sleeves. Not really sure why I bought that. But I got another one because I love the color. And this one has like the on-trend blouse and sleeves. And this one's not too exaggerated. So I feel like I'm going to still want to wear it next year. It's not just a trendy thing. But this one is also Leaf, and it feels not quite as thick as the other. It's like a looser weave. And I got a small on this one. I think I got a medium on the other one based on reviews. But I'll let you know how they fit. And of course you're going to see how they fit. I'm going to try them all on. And a cardigan from Dreamer's Debut. The other cardigan I hauled by this brand in my Nordstrom anniversary sale is one of my absolute favorites, so I wanted to try another one. I got a small in this one as well, and it looks huge, so I'm glad I went with small. But I love this color. It's like a tan color, but it has like a white threading throughout. And it also has a little bit of a blouse and sleeve, and then it's just a regular like grandpa cardigan in front. Oh yeah, can't wait to try this one. Okay, so that's all I got. I just got 4 sweaters, but I'm going to try them all on for you now. Okay, I went and grabbed an undershirt, and here is the cardigan. It's really oversized. Like I said, this is a small, and I'm fine with oversized cardigans, but this one just feels really wide. And like, I mean, it is cozy, but it just feels really big. Here's the back. The sleeves are really cute. They're my favorite part. It's one of the main reasons I bought it. Just gives it a little something different than your regular like pocketed cardigan. But I can't tell. Maybe I should try an extra small. But I'm worried like the sleeves won't hit just right. I'm not sure. This just feels a little too big. I love oversized, but I just feel like I kind of look slouchy in this one. So, not off to the best start. I love this blue one. Not only do I love the color, but it's a little bit more fitted. It's not super fitted to where you feel uncomfortable in it, but it's just a little bit more fitted with the big sleeves, and I think it just makes it really stand out. It doesn't make you look sloppy because the sleeves are cute and big, but it's a little more fitted. And this one I got in a small, but I love it. This one is a little bit of a bigger, like more open weave, so you're not going to get like overheated when you're inside. Really cute. This one is definitely a keeper. I love these sleeves. I mean, I know it's a trend, but I'm all on board with this trend. Okay, here's the off-the-shoulder gray sweater. I got a small in this, and I definitely feel like I could have used a medium. This fits to where I could wear it and I could keep it if I really, really wanted to, but it just feels a little short to me. I like a little bit more length, and I think if I got a medium, I would just feel more like I wasn't scared to move. Like this one just feels a little bit tight. And I mean, I guess you want it tight on the shoulders, but this one has a nice elastic to where you can tell it's hugging, but it's not creating like shoulder fat or anything. Oh my gosh, and then my boobs are sagging. It's because I just pushed the bra straps down. So yeah, my bra is falling down on the inside. But BP usually runs so large, I get a small, but yeah. This one, I'm probably going back just because I don't feel the most comfortable in it, but it is really, really cute if they have it in your size. I am so in love with this color. It is so cute. I love the mock neck. It's real thick, warm, cozy, so soft. I got a medium in this one, and I'm really glad that I did because it just feels like a good oversize. It gives me a little bit more length. Yeah, this one is definitely a keeper. It doesn't have blouse and sleeves, but it's like kind of bigger sleeves, bigger sweater. Oh, so cozy. I love this color so much. I may have to get another color. This is like a good cold weather sweater. It feels like it would actually keep you warm by itself without a coat on. And this just makes the outfit. Like, you don't need jewelry. It's a pop of color. So cute. And I don't have a lot of color in my wardrobe, or if I do, it's like darker, more muted colors. So this is just the perfect addition on something that I did not already have. Real cute, half tucked. Really excited about this one. Yeah, I just didn't see the point in changing again, so I'm going to wear the pink sweater for the rest of the video. But I ended up breaking even. I love 2 out of the 4 sweaters, and that's what you get when you shop online. So that's why I like to do these videos and show you kind of some sizing reference. You can see it on an actual person that's not a model. So I love Nordstrom anniversary sale videos for that reason, and I don't know why we don't just keep doing it all throughout the year. So that's what I planned on doing this year. But here is the Miss, the off-the-shoulder sweater by BP. I just needed to size up in it, but other than that, I love this sweater, and I'm still on the hunt for a good off-the-shoulder sweater. I'm going to see if they have a medium left in this. Then the Dreamers cardigan, it was just way too oversized, and the sleeves were special, but other than that, it doesn't feel like the highest of quality material, and it's a little on the pricier side if it's going to feel a little bit cheaper. So this one's going back for those 2 reasons. And the 2 I'm keeping, the pink one and the blue one, are both by Leith, which is more of a higher price point, but they're also high quality. I have a couple of things by them, and they haven't let me down. This one just feels really cozy and thick. Love this color. And then this one is a more open weave, so a good lightweight sweater. Love the trendy sleeves and love the color on this one as well. Like I said, I got a small in this one and a medium in this one. I could have got a medium in this one as well. It would have just been a little more looser in the midsection, but then the sleeves might have looked more overwhelming, even more so than the trend makes them to be. So I'm glad I went with a small in this one. Plus, I just love the contrast of the slimmer midsection if you're going to be wearing big sleeves. It's like when you wear flare jeans, you want to wear a slimmer top. It's kind of the same idea. That was short and sweet, but I hope that you found it helpful and that you enjoyed seeing these actually being tried on and seeing them with me for the first time. I'm excited about these 2 sweaters. Honestly, I probably didn't need 4 anyway. I just put in my cart what was really cute because I had a Christmas gift card, but I'm really glad that I at least get to keep 2 of them. Oh, I want to show you one more thing that I got from Nordstrom a couple of orders back that is in stock and still on sale. It's just really cute. It's not clothing, but let me go get it. So I was just randomly looking through the home stuff, and I've been wanting a stemless wine glass, and how cute is this one? It says On Cloud Wine in gold lettering, and then it's got like an ombre teal to clear glass. It's really cute. It's on sale for like $7, and I just wanted a good stemless wine glass because I have all my wine glasses are stemmed and really fragile. I just wanted one for around the house when I don't want to be worried that it's going to get knocked over. It says hand wash only, and I am a stickler about only buying things that can be dishwasher safe. I did put this one in the dishwasher. I've only done it once, but all of the gold lettering is still intact. So just a little tidbit because I hate hand washing anything. So I'll be sure and link everything that I showed you down below, and I hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you did, let me know. My next video is going to be my 2017 Best of Beauty favorites. It'll be my third year to do this video. It's one of my absolute favorites. I had close to 17 products and I was going to do 17 best of 2017, but it keeps fluctuating. Like I'll say, oh no, I don't want to include that one, or oh, I found this one I forgot about. So it probably won't be 17 products, but it will be close. So I'm going to be doing skincare, makeup, and hair care all in the same video. So if you don't want to miss out on that, be sure and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.